It is often very handy to have the file structure of a Windows computer look different than the default. When I double click on my computer, what we will see is what Windows calls opening the folder versus exploring the folder. It tends to want to give you icons and files displayed in a manner that is not very easy for me to work with. I prefer to view things differently. So how I'm going to change it is I'm going to right click on my computer and I'm going to click on Explore versus just double clicking, which does Open. You notice the Open is highlighted or bolded and Explore is not. So I'm going to click on Explore. Now you notice that this is different. The left panel is different now. I also don't like this. So I'm going to click on View and I'm going to say I want to look at things by list. That's fine and dandy until I go to some other place. Oh, look at that. It's wrong. So now I have to go to List, and I would have to keep doing that. Every time I would navigate someplace, I would have to go to List. Now the system does remember that. So if I was to go to Documents and Settings, it remembers that. But if I go someplace else, it doesn't. So I want everything to look like this. I want everything to look like a list. So how can I make all folders look or display in list mode? Go to Tools, go to Folder Options, and while I have it displayed the way I like it, I have the left side set as Explore, I have the right side set as a list. I would go to the View tab and I would say Apply to all folders. Now before they do that, I don't want the system to search network folders and printers. That's just a waste of CPU speed. Don't need it. I want to show hidden files and folders. And hide extensions for known file types. I don't want to see that. I want to see, even if I know the extension type, I want to see that extension type. And I'm going to click Apply. I'm going to click Apply to all folders, which tells me everybody's going to match the way this is set up right now. And I'm going to click Apply. Now, that gets me part ways. If I double click, I still have the Open version. I don't have the Explore version. So if I go to Explore, I now have it the way I like to see it. But in here, everything is now set up as a list, every file, every folder. I want the system to automatically, when I double click on my computer, I want it to do an Explore. I don't want it to do Open. So how can I fix that? Right click, Explore. Go back to my Tools tab. Go to Folder Options. Go to File Types. When I go to File Types, I'm going to be looking through the list. There's a big list of stuff here. I'm looking for folder. This is exactly what, not file folder, but folder. And I'm going to go down to my Advanced tab at the bottom. Here you notice I have options, Explore or Open. I want Explore. I'm going to say Set that to be able to navigate more efficiently and to see things that I want to see. Notice what's happened. Open is no longer up top. Open is no longer bolded. Explore is. So if I double click, double left click, I'm exploring. I'm not opening. The support staff at Universal Medical are here to assist you with all of your nuclear medicine technical and parts related questions. Please call us at 888-239-3510.